In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D text in Ideogram. By the end, you'll know exactly how to craft a clear prompt, dial in the right settings, and generate clean, eye-catching 3D lettering with confidence. First, open Ideogram in your browser and log in. Being signed in ensures your creations are saved and makes it easier to revisit past results. A stable internet connection helps the generation process run smoothly, and using a desktop browser gives you a bit more room to work. Once you're in, head to the creation area and locate the prompt box. This is the large text field where you describe what you want Ideogram to produce. Think of it as your creative brief. The more clearly you describe your 3D text, the better the results. Now type your prompt. Start by stating the exact word or phrase you want rendered, then add style details. For 3D text, be specific about materials, lighting, camera angle, and background. For example, 3D bold text that says nebula, glossy chrome letters with soft studio lighting, dramatic shadows, centered composition, floating on a dark background. You can swap glossy chrome for matte plastic, brushed gold, neon glass, or stone, and adjust the lighting to cinematic, soft, or rim lit. If legibility matters, include cues like clear letter spacing or high contrast. Avoid overly complex symbols or punctuation in the word itself, as that can confuse the model. Capitalization can influence the look, so specify all caps or title case if you care about the style. Before you generate, configure your settings. Choose the number of generations to control variety. More generations give you more options, while fewer are faster. Set the aspect ratio based on your destination. Square works well for general posts, a wide ratio is great for thumbnails or banners, and a tall ratio suits posters. If you're designing a longer word, a wider aspect ratio helps prevent cramped letters. If additional style or quality controls are available, pick a preset that matches your vision and keep things consistent with your prompt. When you're ready, click Send to generate. Give it a moment to render. You'll see variations based on your input. Look closely at edges, spacing, and readability. If the material or lighting isn't quite right, refine your prompt with clearer terms, adjust the aspect ratio if the composition feels tight, and send again. That's all it takes. Log in, find the prompt box, describe your 3D text clearly, set generations and aspect ratio, and click Send. With a few iterations, you'll get crisp, stylish 3D text ready for your next project.